Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Coinbase. For that, you need to first launch your web browser, and in the search bar, you will have to search for kraken.com. Then you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your Kraken account. Now once you are on the home page, you need to press the withdraw button, and then you will be landed on this transfer page where you need to make sure that it is selected as withdraw. Afterwards, you need to select that cryptocurrency which you want to withdraw. So let's say you want to withdraw Bitcoin. So you need to tap on the drop arrow button that you see, and then you just have to select the Bitcoin option. After that, it will ask you to provide the wallet address. So you need to launch your Coinbase mobile application or the Coinbase wallet extension. And from there, you just have to copy the Bitcoin address and you simply need to paste in that section. Then you need to press the review button, and on the next page, you just have to review the information that you have mentioned previously, like the wallet address. So you need to make sure that it is correct. If everything is correct, you will have to press the review withdrawal option, and then you need to again double check the information that you supplied to avoid any errors. If everything is correct, you need to press the confirm withdrawal option, and this way you have successfully withdrawn your crypto from your Kraken account to your Coinbase account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.